Let us see about biasing of junction field effect transistor, that is JFET. Normally for biasing a JFET we have three different types of biasing methods. They are fixed bias, self bias and voltage divider bias. First we will see about fixed bias. Here an FET-Q1 is biased under fixed bias condition. Here the negative terminal of the battery is directly connected to the gate terminal of the FET. It reveals that the polarity of VGS is opposite to the polarity of VGG. By applying KVL at the gate side of the circuit, we have minus VGG minus VGS is equal to 0. Therefore, VGS is equal to minus VGG. Here, VGG is a fixed DC supply and VGS is also fixed, hence it is called fixed bias configuration. The current flow through the drain, that is the drain current ID, is given by ID is equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS divided by VP the whole square, which is called as Scott-Free equation. Similarly, by applying KVL at the output side, we have VDD is equal to VDS plus ID into RD, and VDS is equal to VDD minus ID into RD, and the source voltage Vs is equal to 0 since the source is directly grounded. Next comes self-bias. Here it eliminates the need for two DC supplies as required for fixed bias configuration. Now VGS is determined by the voltage across a resistor Rs, which is introduced at the source lead of the FET Rs. The current through Rs is Is, but Is is also equal to ID. By applying KVL at the input loop, we have minus VGS minus VRS is equal to 0. Therefore, VGS is equal to minus VRS. Since VRS is equal to ID into Rs, therefore VGS is equal to minus ID into Rs. Here, VGS is a function of the output current ID and is not a function of the fixed voltage as in the fixed bias configuration. The drain current ID is given by ID is equal to IDSS into 1 minus VGS by VP the whole square. Here we know VGS is minus ID into Rs. By substituting the value of VGS, we have this equation, and we know ID is equal to IDSS into 1 plus ID into Rs divided by VP the whole square. Similarly, by applying KVL at the output loop, we have VRS plus VDS plus VRD minus VDD is equal to 0. Therefore, VDS is equal to VDD minus VRS minus VRD. VRS we know it is equal to Is into Rs. VRD is equal to ID into RD. By substituting these values, finally we have VDS is equal to VDD minus ID into Rs plus RD. Next comes voltage divider bias. Here we have a voltage divider formed by R1 and R2, which is connected at the input side of the FET. By applying voltage divider rule at the input side, the gate voltage Vg is equal to R2 into VDD divided by R1 plus R2. By applying KVL at the input side, we have Vg minus VGS minus VRS is equal to 0. Therefore, VGS is equal to Vg minus VRS. Since we know that VRS is equal to ID into Rs, therefore VGS is equal to Vg minus ID into Rs. By applying KVL at the output side, we have which is equal to VDD divided by R1 plus R2. These are all the design equations of an effect amplifier which is biased under voltage divider